Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Espoir 0. I'm joined by China.
Stephen Zayam. Let's take it to Sundowns. Let's take it to Sundowns, Stephen Zayam. What a good game of football that was displayed by Mamelodi Sundowns. What a very quality game. And then the spawn, it's a final, bro. This is how you win a final. You don't win a final by displaying good football. You win a final by scoring goals. That's what Sundowns did. And then now, I'm not a Sundawana, Steve, but I'm asking myself some questions. Why not introduce Reina Suarez? You can see that Leon is not doing the thing. At this point, I'm a Sundawana. I will say congratulations to them. I'm a Sundawana, you like it or not, Steve. They will win the CAF. This is one of the best seasons of South African football. We see the top 3 teams of South Africa in the number 3. We are also seeing Amasandawana representing us. We CAF for the final. Amasandawana will win it. You like it or not, but the only thing that Coach Cardoso failed today, I'm a substitution work. Why not introduce Reina when you see that Leon is not performing? And angeza si Kijimise indaba yokuthi ungubane unumber 6 wena ngubani? Yes, he scored today, but Aubrey is not doing well. We might say that Unamane is not a good defender. Unama mistake because of you always have to cover for Aubrey. We are exposed. Unamane Aubrey Mutiba. Yes, Aubrey scored the free kick, but doesn't mean that Aubrey plays well. Aubrey is good at overlapping, but is not good at defending. Amasandawana, they need to make sure that team is the story. Yes, Leon. And then now I think coach, if ever ngapuma naso lesi squad, ahamba yena second leg. Kuncane lapho lungisekona. Kunalendwana, kulihlahu or something. That boy is good. That boy is good, Masandawana. You like it or not? Amasandawana asisho asipevi wona akabazobonga bethu ayonto but isitaba zosithola. Isitaba Masandawana zosithola. Ugadoso uyazi mabethi isithibho njayami ukuthi you need iSaldana to fish ishark. So what did Sundowns do? What Sundowns did? Now Bona, they used iSaldana to get the shark. Sundowns sacrificed to be here. Sundowns, the reason why today is playing CAF is because of the sacrifice. Tell me, Blawam, if ever you think that Sundowns won't win the league, lose at the previous games. Every game they played at home, they won or either draw from knockout stages. Yes, they're not doing well when it comes to away. But however, if ever, now this is the final, so we can't compare the knockout. No, the knockout stages. The knockout is the CAF. Then with the final. So now, if ever Sundowns win the game at home, trust me, Blawam, it is capable of doing everything. Now, Mangpume Labostibo, we need to call it CAF. We need to call it CAF. In Morocco have been pulling us in South African football. Morocco have been bullying us. If ever we retaliate, what Morocco is always doing here at home, we will be wrong. Look, next year we have 3 teams that represent us. Be careful. If ever we retaliate as fans with what Morocco fans are always doing to us, North African teams must stop doing it. North African teams must stop bullying us. If ever we retaliate, we will be the wrong ones. Because we've been silent enough. We've been silent enough. We call President Mutsipe. We call President of CAF, but now they must deal with the fans. Enough is enough. We will retaliate and we will be wrong. Thank you, Chairman.